Make it quick. Time to move.
It might sound unbelievable, but it's true. Havoc are recruiting incarcerated criminals into their forces. The public eye and media outlets have recently turned their focus to a group of Havoc's prisoners.
Reinforcements are here. Advance and secure the objective.
Battle is not over yet.
That's what I'm talking about!
Allied troops neutralizing objective Alpha.
Let's go! Let's go! Keep firing!
Let's get
Allied
a jolt
troops
in our
engaging at
veins!
objective Alpha.
Блять! I'm down!
Allied troops launching an assault on objective Alpha.
Back in action.
Enemy located! Target located!
Allied troops launching an assault on objective Alpha.
Enemy there! Target located!
80% of our troops remain. Continue to push.
Target located!
Allied troops launching an assault on objective Alpha.
Enemy there!
Go, go! Let's go!
Enemy located! Enemy there!
Not bad. Can be faster.
Enemy located!
Allied troops neutralizing objective Alpha.
Target located!
Let's fight back!
Enemy located! Target located!
Allied
Enemy
troops
there!
engaging at objective Alpha.
Today!
Enemy key objective is under our control. Continue the attack.
Get me up!
If you don't want a future governed by havoc, finish them today. Enemy attempting to regroup. We must capture the new sectors.
Smoke barrage ready.
This one packs the punch! Dragonflies free! Oh! Dragonflies are fighting! Смотри! What have you done?
Coming! Cover me! The blaster charges up!
Allied troops launching an assault on objective Bravo 2.
Need a medic! Thank God you're here! You lucky ducky! Be careful next time!
Loading ammo!
Allied troops launching an assault on objective Bravo 1.
Hand down! We need backup!
Stop! Come through!
We've neutralized objective Bravo 2.
Now it's over for them!
Objective Bravo 2 is ours. Allied troops neutralizing objective Bravo 1.
Releasing dragonflies!
The enemy has taken over objective Bravo 2.
Let's take this up a
Nice
notch!
shot, thanks!
Allied troops engaged on objective Bravo 1. Objective Bravo 1 cleared.
Medic! We have a casualty here! Friendly injured!
This one packs the punch!
Faster!
Objective Bravo 2 has fallen into enemy hands. Objective Bravo 1 secured. Objective Bravo 1 is under attack. Attention! We've lost half our forces.
Not over yet.
That's what I'm talking about!
Blast down! Loading ammo!
The pin means you're still alive! I'm down!
Allied troops engaging at objective Bravo 2.
Ah! Get him out of here now!
Allied troops launching an assault on objective Bravo 2. Objective Bravo 2 cleared. Stay frosty. Strategic beacon deployed. This objective can make or break the battle. Take it down.
Finish them all! We're down! Loading new mag!
Don't panic! Today is not your last!
Man down! Man down! Not bad! Can't be fast!
I'm found! Quiet!
Neutralize
I'll fix you
objective
up in
Bravo
no time.
1. Objective Bravo 2 is under attack.
Say hello!
Watch supply!
Changing mags!
Battle is not over yet!
The enemy has captured objective Bravo 1. Allied troops neutralizing objective Bravo 1. The enemy is attacking objective Bravo 2. We've sustained heavy losses, but we must push forward. Objective Bravo 1 clear. Give them no room for breathing. We have taken control of a critical objective. Press the attack. Objective Bravo 1 is under attack.
Strategic beacon ready to deploy.
Nice shot! Swapping back!
We have marked a high-value objective. Take it swiftly and push forward.
Still alive!
Objective Bravo 2 has fallen into enemy hands. Switch tactics and organize the fight back.
Sure, that's bad luck.
Allied troops launching an assault on objective Bravo 2. Come to support.
Requesting artillery barrage on coordinates! Dragonfly speed!
Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming.
Let's get a jolt in our veins!
Break through enemy lines or we risk losing. Objective Bravo 1 is under attack.
Back in action!
This one packs a punch!
Copy. Vehicle drop to designated location. Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming.
Let's take this up a notch!
Allied troops neutralizing objective Bravo 2. Emergency reinforcements. Reinforcements are needed.
I need aid!
Strategic beacon deployed.
Help! Get me up!
Halfway through the battle, troops keep going. All units, it's our final chance. Do or die. Attack now!
Boost activated! Stop complaining! Get up and fight back!
Objective Bravo 1 is under attack. We have taken control of a critical objective. Press the attack.
I'm fire! Get him out of here! No! Crank it up to 11!
Enemy feet!
Loading ammo!
Enemy down!
Quiet! I'll fix you up in no time.
Enemy focusing on us!
Casualties on our side!
The enemy has secured objective Bravo 2. Allocate troops accordingly.
Out the way!
Let's get a drop in our range!
Allied troops launching an assault on
Alright.
objective Bravo 2.
Today is not the
Cover
last.
support.
Dragonflies! Quiet! I'll fix you up in no time.
Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming.
Enemy soldier!
We have taken control of a critical objective. Press the attack. The truth behind Havoc's actions lie behind these walls. Bring them to light. Attack! Keep them out. This is their last stand. Take the sector. We're on the back foot. Requesting emergency air support. Troop force at 25%. Stay sharp. Copy. Vehicle drop to designated location.
Strategic beacon ready to deploy.
Requesting beacon at these coordinates!
Strategic beacon deployed.
Dragonflies all the way!
Justified! Through smoke!
That's what I'm talking about!
Where's the medic? We got a man down! Nice! Good one! Reloading! Reloading! Cover me! We got a man down!
kid-aki! Be careful next time! Посмотри! What have you done?
Friendly down!
Allied troops neutralizing objective Charlie 1. Emergency reinforcements are needed. Strategic beacon deployed. Objective Charlie 1 clear. Press on. Capture the last sector. We're going to win this.
Boost activated!
Got a man down!
We have taken objective Charlie 1.
Incoming!
15% troop force. Time to make our final stand.
Be careful next time!
Objective Charlie 2 clear. Press
Say
on.
hello! That can't feel good!
Objective Charlie 1 is under attack. Copy. Vehicle dropped the designated
Need a
location.
medic!
Guided missiles launched. Capture the last sector. We're going to win this.
Stay clear of the blast!